Hello everyone, welcome back again to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to make some homemade mashed potatoes with some steak, the Haitian style. So before we get this video started, I'm going to ask you guys to please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and post your comments. Alright, so this is my potatoes that have been peeled, washed them, and cut them into small pieces that I'm going to be using for my mashed potatoes. And then this is the meat that I'm going to be using for the steak. Now, everything has already been cleaned and washed, so all I have to do is season the meat and then pretty much cook it. And this is the épice. This is like a marinade sauce, combination of green vegetables with some dry seasonings, and then a little bit of hot sauce that I put in it. And then we're just gonna go ahead and marinate the meat with it so we can cook it all together. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and let my potatoes boil. So what I did, I added a little bit of olive oil with a little bit of butter just to help soften the potatoes. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and season the meat so I can just let it sit for about 30 minutes so I can cook it later. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is pour my marinade sauce that I made on top of the meat, and you just mix it all together, and then you'll be ready. Just pour it all over it just like that. And you could use a bigger spoon because I'm using a small tablespoon. So what you'll do, you just lift up every layer of the meat. Make sure you get that marinade sauce all over them so they can get even coating amount of the seasoning. Just like that. And if you want, you could add more water in your marinade sauce. Depends on the amount of meat that you're gonna be cooking. You just mix it all in there. And you should have something like this. So all the meat have like the same amount of coating of marinade sauce on it. And you can always go back with your spoon, take some of that marinade sauce and pour it all on top of it again, just like that. Okay. Okay guys, so now I'm getting ready to bake my steak. As you guys can see, I've laid them down flat in the pan and I've added all the marinade sauce in it, so it won't be dry when it's cooked up. And also I've sprayed my pan with some olive oil non-stick cooking spray so it won't be sticking. Okay guys, so my potatoes have been cooked up, so now I'm getting ready to mash them. I'm going to use my masher while they're still hot, so it'll be a lot easier to mash them. If you're mashing it, you could add butter so it could be nice and creamy, but I'm going to go ahead and mash it all the way down first. Then I'll use a spoon, like a wooden spoon, to add my butter and a little extra seasoning as needed in order for taste to be perfect. Okay guys, so this is my carnation evaporated milk that I'm going to be using. I'm not going to use the whole can, but this is like a brand new can that I just found in the cabinet. So I'll go ahead and open it up. I'm going to be using a knife. It's quicker. And then you're going to go back, mix it all again. You could add a little bit of cream cheese, but I'm not going to be using cream cheese today, so it's just going to be butter that I'm gonna be using with my Laughing Cow cheese. That's gonna make it nice and fluffy and creamy. So now it looks like I'm gonna need some more butter, so I'm gonna scoop up some more butter to put in there. That's why I said it's best to do this while the potato is still warm, because once the potato is cold, there's no way you're gonna get the butter to melt in it easily like that. Just like that. Add a little bit of milk. Mix it some more. And now I can go ahead and add my Laughing Cow. This is how the Laughing Cow cheese comes in the little box. So I'm just gonna grab a little piece, dump it in there, and mix it all in. See, I'm gonna put 2 for flavor. Just like that. Then you go back with your wooden spoon, mix it all in there. The potato is still warm, so it'll help melting the Laughing Cow cheese as well as the butter. But you have to mix it real good. Just like that. Now always taste it to make sure you get the right amount of salt and whatever seasoning you'll be using. Me, I already added my salt while the potato was boiling, so I know I have the right amount of salt in there. What I'm gonna do next is add just a little bit more milk, and then I'm gonna be using some of my grated Parmesan cheese to put in there, and then we'll be done with the mashed potato. As you guys can see, mashed potato is all done. All I'm waiting on right now is my steak to be done cooking, and then be ready to eat. Okay, so as you guys can see, my mashed potatoes and steak, a little mixed vegetable is all done.